Hartford's Big D on YouTube.
It's All Request Saturday night
In crystal clear HD.
102.9 WDRC FM, WDRC HD1, Hartford. He's been waiting to entertain you here on your radio. Curtains going up on yours truly, Rockin' Ron Sedaille.
Showtime. Serving the universe.
7 o'clock, Rock and Ron. What do you say we get that Big D Fun Tower hot rockin' tonight to melt all that snow out there? 860-242-0103. Phone it into Big D tonight. WDRC-FM, WDRC-FM HD1, Hartford, Connecticut, and around the world at drcfm.com.
Ron Sedaille.
Request.
Saturday night. Music and fun with Ron Sedaille.
Hit line 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6.
Tonight, the Pointer Sisters and Neutron Dance as we kick off the show tonight. Phone yours in.
Ron Sedaille.
Won't you come on in?
Won't you come on in?
The music's fine.
The music's fine.
And you can phone it in at 860-242-0103. You can email it to me, rockandron at drcfm.com. And if you'd like to Facebook it, look me up on Facebook, send me a friend invite, and make your request there. Like 102.9 DRCFM on Facebook. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter at Hartford's Big D. And our YouTube channel is also Hartford's Big D. And we'll take it over to line 1 with the first request tonight.
Hey, Rock and Ron, how you doing tonight?
Hey, terrific. How about a request?
Oh, yeah, I'm going to pass to my daughter, Julia. She's going to give you a request, okay?
Go ahead.
Here. Hi, Rock.
Hi, Rock and Ron.
Hi, Julia. What can I do for you tonight?
Could you put on Born to Run, please?
Yes, we'll get it for you by Bruce Springsteen, okay?
Okay.
Thank you for listening to Hartford's Big D tonight.
Rockin' Ron Sedaille.
Bermuda, Bahama. That's Kokomo by the Beach Boys on 102.9. And at 7:12, Big D, you say it. We play at Fun Time, and you can phone it in to 860-242-0103, or you can shout me out on Facebook like Barbara Bartichetti did, Steve Wirtz, Ian Johnson, and Wayne Bryman had a... listen to this story. He had his snowblower all ready to plow, and a tree fell on it during the storm. So not only did he have to, chainsaw the tree, he had to fix the snowblower. He finally got it going, and he's got most of the driveway done. And we'll send the next one out to you. And Jay Cassidy wanted to hear Cruel Summer by Bananarama. That's a great choice. Got to stand by for his all request. Saturday night continues right here on Hartford's Big D.
Ron Sedaille. Total music power.
Stones. That's right, on 102.9.
DRC FM.
18 before 8, Big D, you say it. We play at Fun Time, 860-242-0103. And over to Facebook, want to say hi to Heather McLean, Carl Pella, and his wife Claudia, Caroline Cody, Rick Rothstein, and let's see, we've got Josh Mears. He wanted to hear the Jackson 5 and ABC. I got that one standing by for you. And also want to welcome another Facebook friend, John Vassell from Rocky Hill. Going to confirm you right now. And thank you for listening to 102.9 DRC FM.
Here's yours truly, wonderful Ron Sedaille with the weather.
Well, as you know, Governor Malloy has lifted the travel ban as of 4 o'clock this afternoon, but I can tell you firsthand that it's still really bad out there. In fact, what is normally a 15-minute ride for me took me almost an hour to get here tonight. So if you have to head out, be careful. If you don't have to, you really shouldn't, okay? For tonight, clear skies with the low about 7 and wind chills as low as -2. And for Sunday, sunshine, not a bad day. The high near 35. Right now, 24 here in Hartford, 22 in Enfield. Get the latest forecast anytime online at drcfm.com from Hartford's Big D.
Ron Sedaille, he's a super go, go, go. Ron Sedaille. Golden Weekend.
In the news and stuck with you from Hartford's Big D, and I hope you can feel those.
Fun vibration, rock and roll.
Chief Engineer Scott Barron has a huge SUV, and he made it up to the top of West Beacon Meriden, where he's hanging out, keeping things under control for us tonight. And let's take another request.
Ron, how you doing?
Hey, great. What can I play for you quickly?
Toto, Africa.
I can play that on Hartford's Big D just for you. What's your name?
My name is Tom from Wally. We got 36 inches of snow.
Ron Sedaille.
Serving the universe.
Well, it's 8 o'clock on a cold All Request Saturday night. Phone it into Big D at 860-242-0103. From WDRC-FM, WDRC-FM HD1, Hartford, Connecticut, and around the world at drcfm.com.
Ron Sedaille.
Request.
Saturday night. Music and fun with Ron Sedaille.
Hit 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Lisa and Cult Jam by request from Hartford's Big D.
Ron Sedaille.
Won't you come on in?
Won't you come on in?
The music's fine.
The music's fine.
That's right, phone it in, 860-242-0103. Maybe you're stranded in your house or wherever, maybe at work. Hopefully not. Make a request at 860-242-0103. You can email it to rockandron@drcfm.com. You can Facebook it to me, Rock and Ron Sedaille. In fact, I want to welcome another Facebook friend, Richard Rampone, who lives in Berlin. Thanks for friending me and listening to Hartford's Big D tonight. And you can also watch a YouTube clip of this show. Our YouTube channel is Hartford's Big D. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter at Hartford's Big D, okay? Take to the phones.
Hey, Rock and Ron, could you play a song for me?
What song would you like?
I would like to hear Down Under by Men at Work.
I can arrange that on Hartford's Big D. What is your name?
My name is Kat Cascone.
Well, thank you for calling tonight.
All right, Rock and Ron.
Ron Sedaille.
That's Rod the Bod right there. 102.9 DRC-FM, Hartford's Big D. I'll tell you, we're smoking the headlines tonight, and I'd love to hear from you as well at 860-242-0103. Back to the phones.
Hi, I was just wondering if I could hear the Eurythmics, Here Comes the Rain Again.
I can do that for you. Hopefully we won't get any rain on top of this snow.
I heard Monday was supposed to.
Yeah, that's what I heard too.
Oh, yeah.
All right, we'll get it for you. What's your name?
My name is Crystal from New Britain.
Well, thanks for calling there, Crystal.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate everything you do on the air. You sound wonderful. I love your show.
Ron Sedaille on your radio. Fix this hit to go, 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 go. Is it raining with you? Another Saturday night request on Big D.
Hey, this is Lauren and Cameron.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
You buried in snow out there?
Yes, we are.
Yeah. What can I do for you tonight?
I want to play songs for our mom tonight.
Okay.
Can we play Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen?
Most certainly. And thank you all for listening to 102.9 DRC-FM tonight.
No problem, Ron. Have a nice night.
You too.
Bye.
W Rock and Ron DRC. Is this the real life? Ron Sedaille. Golden classic.
What's with the weather, Mr. Ron Sedaille, weatherman?
Well, you don't have to head out. You probably shouldn't because road crews are having a tough time out there. DOT and local town crews trying to get the roads cleared as soon as possible. For tonight, we've got clear skies with the low about 7. Wind chills as low as -2. And for Sunday, sunshine, a nice day with a high about 35. Right now, 23 here in Hartford, 21 in Manchester. Get the latest forecast anytime online at drcfm.com from Hartford's Big D.
Ron Sedaille on Big D. Music and fun.
And that request for Heather out to Keith. How about this one right here? It's Kenny Loggins and Heart to Heart on Hartford's Big D.
Serving the universe.
9 o'clock, you pick it, I'll kick it on Big D. 860-242-0103 from WDRC-FM, WDRC-FM HD1, Hartford, Connecticut, and around the world at drcfm.com.
Ron Sedaille.
Request.
Saturday night. Music and fun with Ron Sedaille.
Hit line 1098765432.
SOS Band.
Baby, we can do it. Take your time. Do it right. You can do it, baby.
It's Take Your Time.
Do it tonight.
Do it right.
Baby, we can do it. Take
On all requests, Saturday nights.
You can do it, baby.
From 102.9.
DRCFM.
910. Big D, you say it. We play it fun time. We take it around the world in 102.9 seconds. We'll do it really quick. Start here in the USA. In Alabama, say hi to Connie Higginbotham. John Trevisan from Alaska. Steve Godwin from Florida. George Rare from New York. Tom Twine from Pennsylvania. Jim Bohannon, new Facebook friend from Washington, D.C. Ryan Watson, West Virginia, another West Virginia. Kurt Kraft, Zachary Kruger from Wisconsin, and Mexico, Arturo Garcia Reyes, and up in Canada, Keith and Heather, faithful listeners. Steve Marshall in Spain, over to the Netherlands, a new Facebook friend, Hank Lepers, Tim Corbett, Arvid Baker, Goose Monty, UK, Hillary Anderson, Phil Cooper, and Paul Baker. And in the Philippines, Jade Ubarco and Araldo Bernardo, a new Facebook friend listening in Brazil tonight. Appreciate that. Thanks for listening to Hartford's Big D tonight.
Ron Sedaille. Golden Weekend.
Yeah, it's Pet Shop Boys and West End Girls from 102.9 DRC-FM, Hartford's Big D. Rock and Ron on all requests, Saturday night, 860-242-0103. Call me up and say...
Fiesta y música.
Hey, baby, what can I do for you tonight?
Gloria Stefan, and I like to do the conga.
Yeah, I think we need to do the conga right now.
Yes, we have to, because we need to bring the heat to Connecticut.
We need to stomp out all that snow.
Fiesta y música.
With Ron Sedaille.
Olé!
Come on, shake your body, baby, do that conga. No, you can't control yourself any longer. Come on, shake your body, baby, do that conga.
DRCFM.
All requests Saturday night from 102.9 DRC-FM. That was the Miami Sound Machine by request tonight. 860-242-0103. Want to head on over to Facebook real quick. Say hi to George Rare checking in tonight. Cindy Winninger. And Ed Langlois. And Joanne Thompson-Pease up in Enfield. She's getting ready to pop open a nice chilled bottle of white wine as she listens to All Requests Saturday night. Doesn't that sound nice? And we'll take a quick call as we slide into the break.
Ron, can you play Tainted Love?
Soft Cell. That's a great choice. We'll get it for you. What's your name?
This is Troy.
Yep, got to stand by for you as All Requests Saturday night continues right here on Hartford's Big D.
Ron Sedaille weather.
Well, state and local crews are working hard to get the roads cleared, so if you don't have to head on out, you probably should just stay home and listen to All Requests Saturday night. Clear skies tonight with the low about 7. Wind chills as low as -2. And for Sunday, sunshine, a little warmer with a high about 35. Right now, 22 here in Hartford. It is 23 in Berlin. Get the latest forecast anytime online at drcfm.com from Hartford's Big D.
Time to turn on and dig the sound. It's the Rock and Ron go-go round with Rock and Ron Sedaille.
That soft cell sound.
Ron Sedaille.
It's Tainted Love on Hartford's Big D. Who's bad? We bad. Michael Jackson right there from 102.9 DRC FM. Hartford's Big D. 860-242-0103.
Hi, Rock and Ron. We just got power back after 24 hours of very cold and no music, and I wanted to make a request if possible.
Sure, to celebrate, right?
Yes. How about Electric Avenue?
Yeah, by Eddie Grant. Because you got the power.
Well, you have the power, but we're just happy to share it with you. Thanks so much.
And thank you for listening.
Okay, bye.
Rock and Ron. Music power.
Song called Gloria. And it's played here on 102.9. All requests Saturday night. And I noticed a few people liking Chief Engineer Scott Barron's page on Facebook tonight, like Lisa Gauthier, Karen Halquist, Marco Winchins, and Jim Payne and Shane McBreen. And I'll tell you what, just for doing that, I will pick a special song just for you as All Request Saturday night continues right here on 102.9 DRC FM.
Here with the top-rated radio sound. Ron Sedaille on Big D. Music and fun.
Well, let's see. A song for all the folks who liked Chief Engineer Scott Barron's Facebook page. This'll do the trick. It's Meatloaf on Hartford's Big D. Turn it up.
Well, I remember every little thing as if it happened only yesterday. You're my lady. Serving the universe.
And it's 11 o'clock, and if you'd like to make a request, you better phone it in, 860-242-0103 from WDRC-FM, WDRC-FM HD1, Hartford, Connecticut, and around the world at drcfm.com.
Ron Sedaille request Saturday night. Music and fun with Ron Sedaille.
Hit line 1098765432.
1111111.
It's Lion Eyes, 102.9 DRC FM, Hartford's Big D. Got an email here from Sandra. She writes, Dear Rock and Ron, thanks for playing my request earlier tonight. And Valentine's Day is this Thursday. Why have you not wished your lady listeners a happy Valentine's Day? Just an oversight, or are you slipping? Happy Valentine's Day to all my lady listeners, okay? All right, we got that out of the way. And to my mother.
Hi, Rock and Ron.
Hi.
Hi. Could you play by Meatloaf? I don't know the name of it, but it's called I Want You, I Need You, But I'm Never Gonna Love You.
I think she's talking about this one right here. It's 2 out of 3 ain't bad. 102.9 DRC FM, Hartford's Big D, the biggest hits, and your Meatloaf station, right? Come on, sing it.
Baby, we can talk all night. Ron Sedaille. Dependable Ron Sedaille with the weather for Big D-Land.
As we slam the lid on things for tonight, we've got clear skies out there and cold with a low about 6. Sunday shaping up to be a nice day. Sunshine, a little warmer with a high about 35. Right now, 20 here in Hartford. Get the latest forecast anytime online at drcfm.com from Hartford's Big D. It's going to wrap it up for me. Rock and Ron had a great time. Tonight, we'll make it another hot rockin' show next Saturday night after 7. And don't forget, I'll be back tomorrow morning right after 8, right after Beatle Brunch. Play the biggest hits for you on your Sunday Fun Day morning. Right here on 102.9 DRC FM, Hartford's Big D. Till then, good night.
Don't get too tired for love.